This top-secret crypto ship project is turning regular people into millionaires. Nice to see you all again. Updates on the Shiba Inu today. Once the US inflation data was out of the way, traders stopped questioning its meaning. Now that the data is out of the way, the only thing that matters to the markets is that the Shiba price was somewhat lower, and that's all that matters. In the event that the relative strength index becomes too hot, anticipate a pleasant crawl upwards to 0.0016. In this video, we will discuss how a top-secret experiment on board the ship is turning sailors into millionaires. Stay tuned for more Shib news today. Without further ado, let's get this video started. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button, share it, and subscribe to our channel to get all of our latest stuff on SHBA improv predictions and expert analysis. Shiba traders should keep an eye out for potential further continuation of the positive sentiment heading into the US session later this Wednesday once equities turn green, as the Inu price is bouncing back from the drag of the US Consumer Price Index data, which triggered a two-day mini sell-off beforehand. After a 24% gain, bulls will be looking to cash in, so traders are keeping a close eye on monthly R1 and the green ascending trend line near 0.0014. If the market closes above this level, bulls will be able to set sail for monthly R2, which has a value near 0.0016. At this point, the relative strength index, RSI, will hit the overbought barrier, and there's a small risk of a double top. The situation is likely to escalate further as more Russian planes, helicopters, and fighter jets are spotted approaching strategic locations in Ukraine, according to multiple military reports. This could force Europe to go beyond its current limits and send fighter jets to Ukraine, further heightening the conflict. One of the biggest problems that Shiba Inu is having trouble scaling, even though its market cap has grown substantially, its transaction volume has not kept up. With 589 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in circulation, there is a substantial obstacle to overcome in terms of skill and expertise, which could hinder the cryptocurrency's long-term growth. Additionally, dilution is a real possibility, which could lead to a gradual decline in token value. The army is still bullish on the future of the cryptocurrency. As a result of the community's hard work in developing practical applications, forming partnerships, and supporting humanitarian causes, the Shiba Inu coin has begun to gain credibility as more than just a speculative investment. As an example of its dedication to value creation, the army has launched a number of initiatives, such as a decentralized exchange, a platform for NFTs, and a payment gateway. Beyond conjecture, the Shiba Inu Rescue Association, a non-profit organization within the community, has been instrumental in promoting the Shiba Inu coin, which has the potential to boost its validity, adoption, and overall impact. People in the community are hoping that the SHIB price would go up because of all this new stuff. The Shiba Inu coin is currently trading at approximately 0.0013 with a market capitalization of around 7.5 billion. In order for the SHIB's market capitalization to reach 0.01, which would require an increase of 1,000%, investors believe that SHIB has the potential to reach 1 cent or even $1. However, really reaching 1 cent is a challenging task for cryptocurrency. To put this in perspective, it would be impossible to acquire the necessary level of investment and demand for the SHIB token. With a market worth of $468 billion, Bitcoin is by far the largest cryptocurrency. Even if the SHIB token managed to attain a market cap of $46 billion, a notable accomplishment, it would still fall short of Bitcoin's scale. While token burns have gained popularity as a means for certain cryptocurrencies to boost value and decrease supply, they are far from a silver bullet and can have far-reaching consequences for a token's sustainability in the long run. While burns can boost a cryptocurrency's value in the near term by reducing supply, they aren't a good long-term growth strategy. Destroying a cryptocurrency's tokens does not necessarily make it more valuable in the long run because it does not add any new features or applications to the coin. For example, 83 billion Shiba Inu tokens were burned, which may have boosted the cryptocurrency's value in the short term but only accounts for 0.015% of the market cap. Furthermore, token burning can have a negative impact on a cryptocurrency's long-term sustainability. When a cryptocurrency burns too many tokens, it can restrict its ability to grow and develop in the future. For example, with an astronomical supply of tokens, the Shib token has a significant risk of dilution, which could cause its value to decrease over time. Another issue is that token burning can limit the resources available for innovation and development within the cryptocurrency. Shoshiro Kozama, the lead developer of Shiba Inu, has taken it upon himself to educate as many people as care to know that SHIB is the answer. In a blog post shared yesterday by the lead developer of Shiba Inu, the core values of Shiba Inu were detailed, along with the religions that Shiba Inu welcomes. During the beta testing stage of SHIB, unification was emphasized more than ever before. Projects, companies, and entities are urged to understand the values held by the SHIB team and its community. The core values of SHIB include a constant Shiba Inu burn on every Shirarian project. However, the developer has noticed that scams on the L2 scaling solution are inevitable. SHIB will take a do-your-own-research approach to combat fraud. While teaching about new projects, the SHIB team will the Shib DAO Foundation will receive a portion of SHIB's earnings, and it will be responsible for determining the most beneficial use of DAO assets in an amicable global effort. Shiba Inus are kind to people of all faiths, as Shoshiro revealed. Believers in no God, those who practice Buddhism, Christian communities, Hindus, we welcome both Jews and Muslims. We are all encouraged to accept SHIB and all its gifts, whether we are Luciferians or Shintatas Tukin. With the power of Shiba, we can change the course of history without resorting to violence. Instead, we should reject oppressive systems and unite in our shared vision for a better world. All religions share a commitment to righteousness, and the only way to protect this belief is to resist corrupt leaders. Regardless of your beliefs, I extend an invitation to you to join us in this fight. This blog article is going to be filled with exciting news from the lead developer of Shiba Inu. The developer has dropped hints on when SHIB could be released, so stay tuned. On Telegram, Zama warned the Shiba Inu community to be on the lookout in the months leading up to May, when he revealed that the SHIB launch would occur. Based on this information, we can assume that Dogecoin, SHIB, Shiba Inu, and another document-themed project will all debut between now and April. Elon Musk's Twitter teasers with images of his doc caused a surge in meme cryptocurrencies. Despite the fact that meme currencies were originally created as online jokes rather than genuine blockchain initiatives, Musk's capacity to manipulate their prices shows no signs of slowing down. This crypto organization has become more than just a joke. Shoshiro Kozama, primary developer of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency, has shut the Shubri Telegram channel and threatened to report the group after all papers were published. Dogecoin is the 9th largest digital asset and has generated dozens of spin-offs, one of which is Shiba Inu, the 13th largest cryptocurrency. It's likely that the Chibu Shiram Telegram channel was inundated with questions about the launch, making it difficult to manage. However, by locking the Telegram channel until the documents are released, it's safe to assume that the papers for Shiram will be released soon. That's all for today's update.